Students, today I will tell about the properties of triangle which are very much essential for class 8 to 10. You will see what are the incenter, what are circumcenter, what are centroid, what are orthocenter. These type of things I will discuss and clear for your clearance of for your idea. Now, at first I will start of any scaling triangle, not specific any triangle. Suppose it is a scaling triangle. Now, what is, at first I will tell you about the centroid. It is ABC. Now, from the vertex, this is the midpoint of BC, D. Join it, and this is the midpoint of AC, E. Join B and D, and this is the midpoint of AB, F. Join this. You will see that it is seen that these three straight lines joining the vertex and to the opposite midpoint of the opposite side must be passes through a point which is called the centroid. It is called the centroid, and it divides each of these lines, each of these median, and they are called median. Here AD, BE and CF are medians. G is the centroid. It cut each median in the ratio of 2:1. That is, AG is to GD is equal to 2:1. CG is to GF 2:1, and BG is to GE. This is also 2:1. So this is called centroid. These are the three medians where point of intersection of the three medians cut at a point which is called the centroid, and each centroid cuts each median in fixed ratio 2:1. You will get it is, that is AG, it is 2:1, it is 2:1, and it is 2:1. This is called the centroid. Now I come to the incenter and circumcenter. At first you come to know this is the triangle. Before that I will tell you about orthocenter. What is orthocenter? Most of the students do not know what is orthocenter. Orthocenter means when you will draw perpendicular from each vertex to the opposite side, then their point of intersection is called the, suppose it is at M. Here M is called the orthocenter. That is the point of intersection of the three altitudes or three perpendiculars from the three vertex passes through a point, to fixed point, that is called the orthocenter. Now come to the circumcenter. Circumcenter is, what is circumcenter? At first you come to know what is circumcenter. Circumcenter is the center of the circle which circumscribe this. How do you get it? Suppose it is the ABC is the triangle. How do you get the circumcenter? Circumcenter means the center which is equidistant from the three vertex. How it is possible? Now do one thing, uh, mm, draw the perpendicular bisector of the two adjacent sides. Perpendicular bisector of the two adjacent sides, that is AC and BC, and there this perpendicular bisector any two sides, it is possible, any two sides. Now join this point. When joined, this is called, they are equal in length, that is AO, suppose this. So here the point, the perpendicular bisector of BC and AC intersect at a point O. From O join ABC, that is OAOB and OC are the circumradius, and if you take this radius, you can draw a circle like this. You can draw a circle like this. Here O is called the circumcenter. O is called the circumcenter. OA is equal to OB or OC is called the circumradius. And this is called the ABC. This is called the circumcircle. Now I go to incenter. I will go to incenter. Incenter means, that is, at first I will have to draw the incircle, then you will get the incenter. How it is possible? At first you will draw the angle bisector of the two adjacent angles. Suppose these are two adjacent angles. Angle bisector of these two adjacent angle. From this, something difficult. And here it will go in this way. Yes. From here draw a perpendicular. On this, on any one side. Draw a perpendicular from any one on any one side of the triangle. Now here also, if you taking this radius, if you draw a circle, you will get a incircle. It is called the incircle, and suppose it is the C is the in center, and suppose it is ABC, it is D. CT is called the in radius, and this circle inside the triangle is called the incircle. So I think you can understand all these things: incenter, incircle, circumcenter, circumcircle, centroid, orthocenter. This concept about the triangle should be very much clear in the mind of the student of class 6 to 10. Now I will go to here. Properties of triangle. About this, if it is a triangle, then it may be a triangle of same nature. Suppose it is ABC and it is PQR. These two triangles are similar in shape but not in size. When this type of triangles are called similar triangles, there are some conditions of similarity. Conditions of similarity. Number one condition, side, side, side. It is called side, 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 not means side equal to side equal to side, but it is the equality of the ratios of corresponding sides. Equality of the ratios means if it is this, these are corresponding sides because the angle, these are equal angles, so they are corresponding, opposite sides are corresponding. These are corresponding sides, these are corresponding sides, so their ratios will be equal according to the first condition of this similarity, that is AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR. This is the first condition. Number two, second condition is side angle side. Not means side equal to side, here equal to is not considered like congruency. In similarity of the triangle, you always consider the ratios similarity. Suppose these triangles, this equal to this, here this by this, here in triangle, so here we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, where side 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 criteria. In this way you will write in the examination, side 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 criteria. Here side by side means if AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and their intermediate angles are equal. Intermediate angles are equal, not other angle. That is, this angle equal to this, not to be considered. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and angle BAC equal to angle QPR. Then we can write that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR and write here side angle side criteria. And third one, what is the third one? Third one you will see angle criteria. Angle criteria, because in this case you know that if two angles of the two triangles are equal, then the third angle must be equal. So angle criteria means here, suppose angle B equal to angle Q, angle A equal to angle P, angle A equal to angle P, then we can write that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So here angle criteria. These are the three rules regarding only the similarity of two triangles, not more than that. Other criteria are there, other things are there without it, ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles, but I will not go to that depth. BPT also there, that is basic proportionality theorem. I will not go to there up to this. I will discuss now. Next time I will go more deeper into this chapter.